How to tag someone on Facebook Reel after posting it. Hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how can you tag someone on Facebook Reel after you posting that. So let's get started. On this process, firstly you'll have to open your Facebook app with your logged in account. And now from here, you'll have to tap on your profile icon just at the top left corner of the screen. So simply tap on it, and now from here you'll have to scroll down and find your reels here. Okay, so this is the reels. Like, I have not mentioned or tagged someone on this reel, so to tag that you'll have to open this reel. Okay, so after here you'll have to tap on three dot just at the bottom, so you have to tap on the three dot. And now from here you'll got so many options, so from here you'll have to go the options edit video, so you have to tap on it. And now from here on the add reel section you'll got options to edit your reels, like you can add some captions here, so you can also mention someone's from here. So to mention that you'll have to go the option mention, so simply tap on it, and from here you can easily mention someone or tag someone on your post. So this is the easiest and simplest method to tag or mention someone on your Facebook reel after posting that. So hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.